Hey folks, welcome back. My name is Krishna. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use open lines to go ahead and create crazy characters like the ones that you see here. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with just some kind of an open shape like this. And we're leaving parts of the shape open because the opening is going to be where we draw the mouth. So you're just going to draw a line that is going to connect that first segment like so. And the trick here is if we've got this character kind of showing a smile here, we're going to simply draw a very similar line to give this mouth some dimension and form. And I don't know what character I'm actually creating off the bat. I'm just going to have some fun with it. I'll just draw some teeth. Don't forget there's some teeth on the opposite side here too. We've got a tongue. Maybe we have the back of the mouth. We can draw the insides like so. And we've got some crazy character. I don't even have to draw eyes and noses to fill that in. Your imagination can do that for you. I can, for example, draw the eyes down here and draw the nose up here. And now we've got this crazy critter. Let's go ahead and extend this out to another type of shape. So again, the idea is you're going to create some kind of an open shape. Doesn't matter really what that shape is. And this time you're going to create a mouth like so. And then what you're going to do is you're simply going to take the top part of that segment that you've drawn and just simply mirror it. You can have it go all the way down, or you can have it curve. Really doesn't matter. But the idea is that mouth now feels like it has some depth to it, right? So from this point, I can give some rounded teeth. Teeth are so much fun to draw because you can really create something that has some interesting personality, like so. And then I'm going to color that in. And then I usually like to put little curves around the mouth just to go ahead and indicate that that's potentially where a lip could be. Now we've got a nose, and then maybe this particular character, their hair is covering their eyes. We'll just throw in a cigar for completion's sake, right? Let's do this again one more time. So it doesn't matter what the shape is. In fact, I'm creating shapes that I would have never drawn before. And there we go. Now we're going to mirror that curve like so. And then we can draw the teeth. So this is a perfect exercise if you are struggling with drawing characters, you don't know what you want to draw, you want to create something fun. Um, this is a great way to create those types of characters, and you can always modify and add other characteristics to make the character look much more interesting. So here, I don't even know what this character is, but he looks really, really cool. And I can draw a really big nose, and I can draw two tiny little eyes. And now I've got a character that could be, I don't know, a bear of some type. So the secret here is to draw a rounded shape. It can be as weird as you want it to be. Don't fully enclose it, and simply draw some type of a connector and then mirror that vertical line to create a mouth that has some form. And you're off to the races. Then you can essentially create any kind of character that you want, usually unusual creatures, pets, sci-fi, alien critters can all be arrived at this way. And it's a great way to practice cartooning. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up so more folks can find it. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.